हे गाइस वेलकम बैक। आज के सेशन में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे फ्लो एंड उसके टाइप्स। फर्स्ट व्हाट इज फ्लो? फ्लो इज एन ऑटोमेशन टूल प्रोवाइडेड बाय salesforce which can be used to perform various tasks like sending an email, posting a chatter, sending a custom notification, etc., something else. Flow is the most powerful tool, automation tool provided by salesforce, and it can be triggered for record, insert, update, and record, delete, and it can be run for both after and before events. So this is the basic definition of flow. Come moving back, next slide, that is types of flow. So here the types of flow is, that is screen flow, as you can see on the screen, that is PPT, that is screen flow. Second is record trigger flow. Third is schedule trigger flow. Fourth is platform event trigger flow. Fifth is auto launch flow, and sixth is record trigger orchestration. So screen flow, that is, it guides through users input through a business process that launched from lightning pages, experience, cloud site, and quick actions. And record trigger flow, as you already know, it's a trigger like it run before and after events, that when a record is created, updated, or deleted. Also schedule trigger flow, that is, you can like schedule a flow within a particular specific date and time. And the platform event trigger flow, that is launched when a platform event message is received. This auto launch flow run in the backgrounds. And the auto launch flow node trigger, that is launches when invoked by Apex processors, REST API, and more. So there are three types of flow in this slide. That is screen flow, that is, it guides the user through a business process, captures user input. Second is auto launch flow, that is without trigger, and it do not have any trigger and they run in the background. That is like auto launch flow no trigger, it means it cannot be like without having a trigger events, that is before or after, like this type of. So okay. And not launches when invoked by Apex processes, REST API, and more. So third is auto launch flow no trigger flows. So that is auto launched by a trigger you specify and they run in the background. That is, in this auto launch flow with trigger flow, that is record trigger flow, it launches when a record is created, updated, or deleted. Schedule, that is, launches at a specified time and frequency for each record in a batch. Platform and event trigger flow, that is launches when a platform message is received. Here the flow builder, all, that is, first is toolbox, as you can see in the first, that is, it is a toolbox. All are called tools. Was second is layout selection picklist. This is layout selection picklist, that is free form or auto launched in this form. Okay, when you click on it is free form or auto launched. Okay. And third is canvas, that is where we can use your flow in this canvas, that is you can drag the components and drop it, that is in the third component, that is it is called the canvas. And the fourth is button bar, that is this is a button bar, that save as, activate, debug, run, that is called button bar. So flow elements, what are flow elements? First, interaction, that is interaction. In this interaction there are three types, that is screen, action, and subflow. Screen flow, action, and subflow. And the logics you are written in the flow builder, that is assignment, decision, loop, transform, collection short, and collection. These are the logics you can as use in your flow. And the interaction, that is screen flow, action, or subflow. Third is data. Data, in the data, that is create a record, update a record, get a record, delete a record, or rollback record. That is third one. First one is interaction, second one is logic, third one is data, that is what your data you want to create a record, some another object, update a record, get a record from the another some object, delete a record, and rollback record. Resources that can be created, that is variable, constant, formula text template. In this as you can see that it's element and manager. When I click on the manager, that is it's a new resource. When I click on the new resource, here the resource pop-up option will be opened, and in the resource type, that is variable, constant, formula, text template, choice, collection, choice set. These are the resources that can be created to invoke to use in our, that is data, that is of logics or something. Okay. In the choice, collection, choice set, yes, as we discussed already, choice, record, choice set, pick list, that is pick list, choice set, and stage. Here it will be open a pop-up, that is text template, choice, collection, choice set, record, choice set, pick list, choice set, and stage. Types of flow overviews, that is screen flow. This flow may be used for user interaction, that is launched from lightning pages, experience cloud, site cloud, and quick action. It basically used for the user interaction, what user has to be input. Like when I want a flow that is users input the data, and in after the input of data, it record will be created. It's a backend logic, but user wants to input some data, that is done in the screen flow. Record trigger flow, like this flow is used for any action that happens when a record is created, updated, or deleted. Then just like a trigger, when a record is created, you want to create some record, or you want to delete some record, or you want to update some records. That is called, this is an auto launch flow. These flows run in the background. Scheduled trigger flow launches at a specified time and frequency for each record in a batch, and this auto launch flow also runs in the background. Fifth is platform event trigger flow. Launches when a platform message is received. This is also auto launch flow that runs in the background, and it invoked by Apex processes, REST API, and etc. How the platform message is invoked in that is in the Apex where that is invocable method. We can use that in the Apex classes. In this, then when you want to implement the invocable method, then it will be used in our flow. That is Apex classes can be used in our flow. So record trigger orchestration launches when a record is created or operated, and it is used to create multi-step or multi-user processes. That is called record or triggered orchestration. Screen flow. Screen flow is used to store the user's data easily and fast through custom UI. It can be launched through lightning places or quick action. That is like I want to say input some welcome message, that it is hi there, welcome to Campus Mintra, like this type of message I want to input that. In this we can use a screen flow. It captures the user's input. Types of auto launch flow, that is record trigger flow, schedule flow, platform event trigger flow, and auto launch flow. Record trigger flow, it's auto launched when a record is created, updated, deleted, and it's same as the triggers. Schedule trigger flow, you can schedule a Apex class within a specific batch of. And the platform event flow, that is launches when a platform event message is received. For example, you can pump the data from external system in platform event and then use to flows to split and save the record in different object. In this we can use the platform event flow. Auto launch flow launches when invoked by Apex processes, builder, and or even REST API also. So yeah, that's all about it. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe my channel. Also, if you have any problem, please comment down in the section. Thank you guys.